Looking for a reliable kitchen companion? The best blender for frozen fruit delivers effortless crushing power, making smoothies, sorbets, and frozen drinks a breeze. Experience smooth, creamy results every time, whether for breakfast, snacks, or entertaining guests. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Ninja BL610 Frozen Fruit Blender. The Ninja BL610 Frozen Fruit Blender is a powerhouse designed to handle the toughest blending tasks with ease, making it ideal for anyone looking to effortlessly prepare smoothies, frozen drinks, or icy beverages. Boasting 1,000 watts of professional power, this corded electric blender is capable of crushing ice and breaking down hard ingredients quickly and efficiently. Its 72-ounce pitcher offers an XL capacity, perfect for creating large batches for family gatherings or entertaining guests, though it accommodates up to 64 ounces of liquid for practical use. The total crushing technology ensures that every ingredient, from whole fruits and vegetables to ice cubes, is pulverized in seconds, giving you consistently smooth results. Ice crushing is particularly impressive, as the blender can turn large ice cubes into fine snow-like texture almost instantly, making resort-style frozen drinks achievable at home. In addition to its powerful performance, the BL610 includes a recipe guide that provides inspiration for a wide range of drinks and dishes, making it easier for beginners to explore creative options. Cleanup is straightforward, as the BPA-free pitcher is dishwasher safe, allowing you to enjoy your drinks without worrying about tedious maintenance. The blender package comes with a 1,000-watt motor base, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with lid, providing everything needed for immediate use. Number 2. Ninja BN701 Frozen Fruit Blender. The Ninja BN701 Frozen Fruit Blender is a step up from the original professional models, offering superior power and versatility for those who demand excellent results from their frozen fruit blends. Equipped with a 1400 peak watt motor, it provides significantly more crushing power than the BL610, effortlessly pulverizing ice, fruits, and vegetables for smooth, consistent textures. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher allows large batches to be made for family meals or entertaining, accommodating up to 64 ounces of liquid. This model features Ninja's Auto IQ technology, which removes the guesswork from blending by using preset programs that combine timed posing, blending, and pausing patterns. With 3 versatile functions, smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream, the BN701 ensures that every creation is perfectly blended with minimal effort. The total crushing blades are designed for professional-level results, capable of transforming ice and frozen fruit into perfectly textured drinks quickly. The included 15-recipe inspiration guide encourages experimentation with smoothies, frozen drinks, and other treats, allowing even novice users to create impressive results. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked assembly are dishwasher safe, simplifying cleanup while maintaining safety and convenience. The package includes the 1400 peak watt motor base, 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, stacked blade assembly, lid, recipe guide, instruction booklet, and quick start guide, providing everything needed for immediate use. Ideal for families or anyone who enjoys frozen drinks frequently, the Ninja BN701 offers unmatched power, intelligent functionality, and ease of use. Number 3. Ninja Dark Gray Frozen Fruit Blender. The Ninja Dark Gray Frozen Fruit Blender combines professional power with user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for creating smoothies, frozen drinks, or other blended beverages at home. Its 1,200-watt motor base powers through the toughest ingredients, delivering smooth and consistent results, whether you are blending ice, frozen fruit, or dense vegetables. With 5 preset programs, smoothie, frozen, extract, chop, and dough, the blender removes guesswork and simplifies the blending process, making it ideal for users of all experience levels. The 72-ounce full-size pitcher is perfect for large batches, accommodating up to 64 ounces of liquid, while the stacked blade assembly ensures that ice is turned into fine snow for creamy resort-style drinks. Manual speed control with low, high, and pulse settings allows complete control over texture, providing versatility for various recipes. Additionally, the 8-cup Power Food Processor Bowl expands the blender's capability, allowing for chopping, pureeing, and processing dough up to 2 pounds, while the single-touch programs ensure effortless operation. The included 18-ounce single-serve cup with spout lid offers convenient portability, making it easy to take your favorite drinks on the go. With a thoughtful combination of power, control, and versatility, the Ninja Dark Gray blender is perfect for families, health enthusiasts, or busy individuals who want quick and efficient results. It stands out not only for its strong motor and large capacity, but also for its additional features, such as the power food processor and single-serve cup, which enhance usability.
Number 4. Ninja SS101 Frozen Fruit Blender. The Ninja SS101 Frozen Fruit Blender is a versatile and innovative solution for anyone who wants to create smoothies, frozen drinks, or nutrient-rich bowls with ease. Its powerful 1200 peak watt motor, combined with smart torque technology, allows it to crush through heavy loads without stalling or requiring additional stirring, making it highly effective for frozen fruits, ice, or thick ingredients. This model offers 6 versatile functions, including blend, pulse, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads, providing excellent flexibility for various recipes. The 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker is ideal for thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and blender ice cream, while the 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup enhances the breakdown of ingredients for smoother extractions of vitamins and nutrients from fruits and vegetables. Auto IQ technology intelligently manages pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to achieve consistent results without user guesswork. This blender's dual design, 2 single-serve blending options in one motor base, makes it highly convenient, allowing users to switch between the smoothie bowl maker and nutrient extraction cup effortlessly. Cleanup is simple, as the parts are dishwasher safe and the easy-to-clean base ensures minimal maintenance. Whether making breakfast smoothies, frozen beverages, or nutrient-dense extractions, the Ninja SS101 offers professional quality results in a compact, user-friendly package. Number 5. Nahida 1200-watt Frozen Fruit Blender. The Nahida 1200-watt Frozen Fruit Blender is a high-performance and versatile option for anyone seeking a reliable solution for smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient-rich beverages. Powered by a 1200-watt motor with a maximum rotating speed of 25,000 RPM, this blender handles tough ingredients, including ice, frozen fruits, vegetables, and even nuts or coffee beans in seconds. Its 2-in-1 design, featuring 2 304 stainless steel blades, allows it to function as both a traditional countertop blender and a portable personal blender, offering flexibility for home, office, or on-the-go use. The set comes with 3 portable blender cups in 23, 32, and 37-ounce capacities, complete with lids and 2 sharp 6-fin blades, making it convenient to create single-serve drinks or larger batches. Safety is prioritized, with 4 silicone non-slip feet that keep the base stable, while a built-in cooling fan and side vents protect the motor from overheating. Overheat protection ensures longevity, with a brief cool-down period recommended if the blender stops.